All right, so I just created a video, stop typing tags, use Gemini to create tags in seconds. But then now how do I create a cover, a YouTube thumbnail for that video? Right now the picture is just a picture of my face and not very interesting, but how can I use Canva then to make it very interesting? All right, so what I do is I go to Canva AI, and then it's asking me to describe my idea. So just type in create a YouTube thumbnail of that title. Typing tags, use Gemini to create tags in seconds. And I'm going ahead and it's thinking. And it actually thinks for a little bit. And then it's going to create some thumbnails for me. So it's going to give me several choices. All right, and you can see that it's created some thumbnails for me. Here's that first one. Looks pretty good for me. Oh yeah, lots of different choices to choose from. And so these are pretty good looking thumbnails that I could then tweak out or edit a little bit. And it'd be very easy then to create a YouTube thumbnail that's a little bit more engaging than what I had previously. What I do is I go to Canva, type in that I want to create a YouTube cover thumbnail, and type in the title, and it'll create some sample AI templates, AI examples that I could then use and build off of to very quickly create a thumbnail that will work for this video.